Good morning, student. Student, let's recapture of what we learned till now. Till now, we'll see the variation of physical features of our country. Then we saw that two forces, which is the reason for the different variation of our physical features. Then we saw the tectonic plate theory, the types of plate movements, and after that we saw that the physical features. In the physical features, we saw Himalayan mountain, northern plain, peninsula plateau, and Indian desert. Right now, today we are going to see with the another feature, that is the coastal plain. Okay, now coastal plain are said to have been formed by both depositional and the erosional work of the river and the sea. Depositional means bring it together. Okay, erosional means take it away or wash it away. Now these are the two external forces. I explained it to you in the first video, the external forces and internal forces, right? So depositional and the erosional are the two external forces which act by the river and sea, which form a coastal area. And whenever we talk about a coastal area, it's always near the water body, right? Now this coastal in India, this coastal plain are divided into two parts. Okay, two types. The first one is the western coastal plain. Okay, the second one is eastern coastal plain. So first we are going to see the western coastal plain. Let's see. Look at this map. That green color in the Gujarat area, then blue color, then red color, then orange color. These colors lies in the western coastal plain. As the western coastal plain is divided into three parts. Okay, according to your CBSE syllabus, it divided into three parts, so that's why it put a different color. Okay, now let's see the some of the features of western coastal plain. The first, it lies between the Arabian Sea and the Western Ghat. Student, regarding Western Ghat, we already see in the Peninsula Plateau, right? So remember that this Western coastal plain, which is lies between the Arabian Sea and the Western Ghat. If you talk about their width, okay, from Gujarat till Kerala is not uniform. So it is their average is 50 to 80 kilometers width. It's in between. Okay. Now this western coastal plain is divided into three parts. The first one is Konkan, which is between Maharashtra to Goa. Kannad, which is uh, between south of Goa to Karnataka. The Malabar, which is between the south of Karnataka to Kerala. Look at this map again. That blue color that which is from Maharashtra to south of Goa is known as a Konkan, and from south of Goa till Karnataka is known as a Kannad, and from south of Karnataka, that red color after n the red color, then from south of Karnataka till Kerala is known as a Malabar. Now easy way to remember, I'll just give you a tips. Okay, now what language do Goa people speak? Which language the Goa people they speak? They speak Konkani. Okay, they speak Konkani. So Maharashtra to Goa, that coastal plain is known as a Konkan. What language the Karnataka people they speak? They speak Kannad, right? So from south of Goa to Karnataka, that coastal plain is known as a Kannad coastal plain. Okay. Now, what language do the Kerala people they speak? They speak Malayalam, right? So, from south of Karnataka to Kerala, that coastal plain is known as a Malabar. Okay, it bit little not very familiar with same with the Malayalam, but it's started with MALA, right? Malayalam, Malabar. Okay, so just student remember the local people of that state what language they speak. Goa people they speak Konkani. There is a Konkan, Konkan coastal plain. Then Karnataka people they speak Kannad. They south of Goa to Karnataka, that coastal plain is Kannad. The Kerala people they speak Malayalam. So south of Karnataka to Kerala, that coastal plain is known as a Malabar. Okay, now let's see the next one. Look at the map in the right side, that red color, right? This red color is eastern coastal plain. Okay, so which is in the right side of our country. Okay, in the Bay of Bengal. Let's see some of the features. Okay, Western Coastal Plain, it lies between the Bay of Bengal and the Eastern Ghat, which we already seen in the uh, Peninsula Plateau. Okay, so it is in between the Bay of Bengal and the Eastern Ghat. If you compare with the Eastern Ghat and Eastern Coastal Plain and the Western Coastal Plain, Eastern Coastal Plain is more level and less rocky. Topography wise, the landform is more level than the Western Coastal Plain and is less rocky. Now compared to the Western Coastal Plain, Eastern Coastal Plain is very shallow, means that water is not very deep. Okay, because of that you will find most of the seaport or most of the harbor we found in the Western Coastal Plain, not in the Eastern Coastal Plain. Okay, now in this Eastern Coastal Plain we find many natural lake. Okay, the reason is many of uh, peninsular river, means that the southern river, they started from the west, then they flow towards the east in the Bay of Bengal. Because of that, in the before they merge into the water body, they create a many natural lake, for example like Chilka Lake in the Odisha. Okay, so regarding this, in next chapter 3, we are going to see more details. Okay, just you remember, in the Eastern Coastal Plain there are several natural lakes are there. Like Western Coastal Plain, Eastern Coastal Plain also divided into two parts. Okay, Northern Sarkars and the Coromandel Coast. Look at the map again. Northern Sarkar is from the Andhra Pradesh, the north of Andhra Pradesh till Orissa. That is known as the Northern Sarkars. Okay, and from Tamil Nadu till Andhra Pradesh, that coastal plain is known as a Coromandel Coast or Coromandel Coastal Plain. Okay, so remember that Northern Sarkars and the Coromandel Coast. These are the two division of Eastern Coastal Plain. So student, next video we are going to see the another features. Till then, listen this video carefully and try to understand it. If you are not able to understand it, please send me a message or give me a call, so that I'll able to explain you and I will come to know that where you are not able to understand. Okay, see you in the next video.